Soil salinity is the amount of dissolved salts in the soil, including soluble and readily dissolvable salts. It's usually expressed as electrical conductivity. Soil salinity has a number of impacts, including reduced crop yields, soil degradation, threats to global food security, threats to socioeconomic stability, soil biodiversity alteration. Soil salinization is the process by which water-soluble salts build up in the soil. Soil salinity can be managed in a number of ways, including leaching. The most effective way to remove salts from the root zone of soil is to allow fresh water to infiltrate the soil surface. Apply amendments like gypsum and irrigate fields to reclaim sodic soils. Reduce fallow periods, use crop rotations and minimize fallow periods. Develop and grow salt-tolerant crops. Improve soil structure. Organic matter improves soil porosity, aeration, and water holding capacity. This helps reduce the movement of salt water and salt accumulation.